Hi and welcome back to Chasing Financial Freedom, the YouTube channel where we go after stock investing, stock trading, and doing great in the stock market. So today's stock is Indonesia Energy Corporation Limited with the ticker symbol NDO. So we can see the stock was around yesterday, it was around $4.36, and it has been the same, almost the same. It was $3 in the beginning of this year. We have fallen from $7. So we have regained some altitude, but the question is whether this altitude is on actual data or it's just a classic pump and dump. So let us look at the facts. We can see here we can look in Yahoo Finance whether there are some news or not, and we can clearly see here that we have not any news. So what can we say about the company? The company is Indonesia Energy Corporation Limited. Through its subsidiaries, operates as an oil and gas exploration and production company in Indonesia. It holds interest in the Crook block, a producing block covering an area of blah 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 net crude oil proved reserves at the time. Okay, offshore. The company was incorporated in 2018 and is headquartered in Jakarta, Indonesia. Let us see what is going on with this stock. We have a rating of strong buy, and the average price target is $10 according to analysts. If we were to just look at analysts' ratings, we could see that we have still, from this price, we can have almost 30% or 40% of increase if we want to go after this. But if we look at the charts, let us look at the charts how we are doing. So let's see, from year to date we can see here, let's put a line, horizontal line. Let us see here the price. As we can see here, in January 2020 was $7.90, almost the same as we are today. We can see that here we have seen a big decline of the stock and going down at almost $1.46. If you were to buy, if you have bought here on this line here, right, year to date, if you have bought here, you would have made a great profit moving from to here. But the most important question is, what is going to happen now in the future? What can we see basing according to our analysis? We have seen that the stock has fallen down here, and since then we were moving somewhere between $3.68 to, we were moving here to around $6. So this is the price range where this stock moves. What can we see about the stock pattern here? We can see that the stock has tested here this line, and this was for today, as it seems right now, the absolute resistance line where traders were not confident anymore about buying. What can we see? We can clearly see that it is probably a pump and dump. Let us see for an interval of 1 minute what is happening right now. So here you can see, as I have put this line here, let us see for the graph of today and 1 minute mark. So you can see here we have this line, and we are going to test this new line. As you can see here, we have not formed. This is the old this is the resistance line of today, and it's 7.90, and if we go under this, we're going to see probably a decline to $6.12. If we look at the chart, and if you take this chart right here, or of 5 days, we can see that it seems like a pump and dump. So this is what we can see from here. And what can we expect? We can probably expect a slow decline of this stock, unless we get some good news. If you look here at the stock pattern, you can clearly see the average of the Bollinger Bands. You can clearly see here how we went up and we have gone up, and you can see here the average is of $5.89. So we will probably going to see the stock ending somewhere around here. We're going to test some lines, of course, and so we don't have a good history. So in our opinion, it all depends on the news. What are the news going to be? Whether or not maybe there were some news, but we can see that the average volume of the stock is 28,000, very small, very easy to manipulate, and we see that it has a market capitalization of 54 million, so a small percentage. About the technicals here, we see that it is shows that it's strong buy. We will see how this is going to end. According to the technicals right now, we are going down. So if you look here, this would be a great place to short actually, because it has gone up so steeply. So hope all of you guys a great new year.